Hey everybody, it's your girl Elo for Life, and today I'm going to come and bring a video to you all about preparing your crochet hair for a second install whenever you get ready to do that. So there's definitely some things that you need to do first, but what I want to show you all, these are the Toya Tress Tiana Passion Twist 6" that I did a video on and that I had installed in my hair like 4 weeks ago. And as you can see, my scalp is pretty dirty. It has buildup on it. But I definitely wanted you all to see what these Tiana Passion Twists are currently looking like, how they held up. And they look pretty darn good. I think the older that they look, the more realistic they look. And I'm getting ready to show you all what I do to prepare my hair when I'm trying to save crochet hair for another install. So let's get ready, y'all. So, as it said, step one, what you need to do is you need to definitely remove the hair from your head or from your braids, your crochet braids or your plaits or whatever. So, I've seen some people where they were able to just go ahead and remove the hair. They had like a single braid and they were able to move the hair from just releasing one braid. But I don't think they were planning on reinstalling the hair. But what I'm going to do is actually just uninstall each and every single one of these passion twists. So what you want to do, and as I'm showing you all, you want to get down to the base of where you had actually ran the hair through the loop. Some people do double loops. I only do one loop when I'm looping my crocheting my hair. I only do one loop. I never do double loops. Specifically for this reason, if I want to go ahead and keep the hair for another second install, it's a lot easier to unravel it at the root where there's only been looped one time through the hair. And sometimes it may take a little jangling at the root, but as you can see, they come out really easy. So that's what I'm showing you all in this clip. So in this clip, we are going to prepare the hair for a wash. So there's a couple things that I do here. One, I take a pipe cleaner, and I had a bunch of these pipe cleaners left over from when I was making masks initially when Corona had hit for my family members. So what I wanted to do was take the crochet hair that I've taken out of my hair, and I did wanted to mention that it takes no time when you are taking the hair out your hair individually. It really takes no time at all. It probably took me about 40 minutes just to take all those out, but I'm simply just putting each individual piece of crochet hair on this little pipe cleaner here. You can use this or you can use something else. I've seen some people wash their crochet hair and they don't use anything at all, but I would find it much easier if I would put the hair single-handedly on a pipe cleaner and wash a bunch at a time. I didn't want to put a bunch in water and then have to take them all out or rinse them all out individually. So I find this to be a much easier process to do that. And plus, besides, when you get your hair anyway, it's already established on one of those little ties, so that it's much easier to put on or take off when you're going to initially install the hair. So I figured I'll just kind of recreate that and put them on a pipe cleaner. That way they're already in the loop already, and it's much easier to take off. So that's what you see in this clip right here. And I did put about 20 crochet hairs on each pipe cleaner. Okay, so as you can see from step 3, we are pretty much going to clean, rinse, and dry the hair in this next step. So it's pretty much just 3 steps. I have bought some Tupperware. Got this from Big Lots. If y'all need some Tupperware, get it from Big Lots because it's so much cheaper than going to, I don't know, Target, Walmart, Myers. It's a little bit more expensive there. So I got my Tupperware from Big Lots. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Shea Moisture shampoo. It is a Jamaican black castor oil shampoo. That's strengthen and restore shampoo because it has shea butter, peppermint and apple cider vinegar in it. And what this does is this shampoo is pretty much like a sulfate-free clarifying shampoo. So it removes buildup while it's being infused into the hair. Now, of course, this is synthetic hair, of course, and it's okay to use this on the hair. I went on here and just put I think I filled this container up about 3/4 of the way, and I use very mild lukewarm water, not hot water, not super cold water, but lukewarm water. Okay, so that's what I did, and as you see, it gets very, very sudsy with the amount of shampoo that I put at the bottom of the container. And I'm not going to show you all putting the water in there because it's very obvious what I did. But in some parts of this clip, I'm going to speed it up. I'm not going to talk all the way through the entire clip if I can help myself. And what you're seeing here is just me submerging all of the little bundles that I created of hair. I'm submerging that into the water itself, so it can get fairly clean. Now, I'm not rubbing the hair. You don't want to do that because you don't want the hair to get super fuzzy, because it's already a little fuzzy as it is from when you had uninstalled it. So I really don't want to manipulate or disturb the twist itself. So this is one of the reasons why I put it on a pipe cleaner. And as you can see, I'm just taking each bundle, submerging it into water, letting the water flow through the hair as it's cleaning itself. And you will see pretty soon how dirty the water gets. But that's all I'm doing. And I'm not pushing the water out of it. I'm just squeezing it gently down the hair so that the shampoo can get in the hair itself. So we'll see that in the rest of this clip. Now, as you can see here, I just continue to submerge the hair until most of the suds are pretty much gone from the water. And you can definitely see how dirty this water is. I have worked out in this hair. Like I said, I've had it in my hair for 4 weeks. And it gets pretty dirty. I mean, the perspiration from working out and everything. Your own oil seeping onto the hair. You definitely want to take the hair and clean it. And if you don't plan on reinstalling it, or you just want to buy some fresh hair, you can also do that as well. One of the things I did want to mention, that when I was taking this out of my hair, this is, say for instance, you get some of those, sometimes you can get a passion, not a passion twist, but a piece of crochet hair. It may get all tangled. It's okay to cut it out your hair, especially if you have like some extra hair left over. And I did have some extra hair left over from my initial install. And the great thing about doing this too is that if you wanted to order maybe just another pack of hair from Toyotress, they also have that option as well. Instead of having to order a full 8-pack, which is about what, $65 from my initial video. But this water was so dirty, it needed to be cleaned. And I definitely needed to wash my hair. in this clip right here, you definitely see that what I did was I took the hair out and put in some fresh water, of course. Let that soak just for a little bit, and I'm going to do the same process as I've done before. Previously, I'm just going to take the hair, submerge it up and down in the water to get any of that excess shampoo off. Now, once I've done that with one bundle of hair, I am not going to keep it in the water. I'm going to go ahead and just rinse that out and put it to the side. Now, this is optional, you guys. I only did this because I was recording this video. But technically, what I would have done after I had washed the hair and submerged the hair in the shampoo itself, I probably would not have gone in and put some more water in this Tupperware, in this little tub right here. I most likely would have taken the hair itself, each bundle of hair, and just rinsed it under the faucet in my kitchen sink or a bathroom sink or whatever, and just rinsed it out that way. But for the sake of this video, I just want to go ahead and show you all that you want to do that second rinse and rinse the hair out clean, so that all that dirty, any excess of dirty water or shampoo that's left in the hair will definitely come out of the hair itself. You just want to make sure it's all out of the hair. You don't want to leave any shampoo in the hair. I mean, you wouldn't do that with your regular hair, so don't do it with this hair either. So that's all I'm doing here, and it's very easy. I did have like about 5 bundles of hair, and that's all I use. And this is just so easy to do. Anybody can do this, of course. But I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit, so you don't have to continue to see me wash the hair continuously. You get a drift of what I'm doing here. So just rinsing it really well, and then I'm going to take the hair, put it to the side until it's all finished. Now, one of the things I wanted to mention, last but not least, washing the hair in the shampoo and rinsing the hair in the lukewarm water does not make the curls even more frizzier. So whatever you saw before in my previous clips of maybe some of the hair looked a little frizzy, but lightly frizzy, but the curls were not disturbed, as you can see, it does not make the hair more frizzier. So you don't have to worry about that. And like I said, I think sometimes the older it looks, the better it looks. But as you can see, these curls still look nice. The passion twists are still intact. The curls that was on the end of these passion twists are still intact. And I'm not going to show you after they've dried, but I am putting this on a towel for them to dry. And because this is synthetic hair, it's not going to take that long for this hair to dry at all. But I did let this dry overnight. And one thing I can say, the hair smells a lot better. It looks a lot more, it looks clean. There's no cuckoo bugs up in there, no buildup on there. So we already removed all that. And I will be ready for another install of this hair. So thank you all for watching my video. Rate, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave that below. And I will catch you all in my next video. Peace, love, and blessings. Stay safe.